we were discussing, the structure of, an ileum, which is the third part of the small intestine digestion. In that, we were discussing blood capillary, which entirely was done, how it happens is all. Now we're going with the lymph. We really don't have good. So lymph, you might know that it's like when blood don't go in the vessels. You might have studied lymphatic system where white plasma, this kind of structure is passed throughout. So that's all in a small intestine done by lacteal. This lacteal, and lacteal will, it's like first fatty acid. First fatty acid that would be converted to glycerol. Glycerol. Glycerol is like first thing. These holes in blood. From capillary. This is taken. So that holes are very minute. Very small holes. So it does not really get pass easily. So we need to convert fatty acid into glycerol. After glycerol, it will go through. We studied this is if epithelial cells. Here you will see some squamous cells. So from glycerol, it would be converted to or gone into microvilli. This epithelial cells or this brush border structure is known as microvilli. It will go to microvilli. Microvilli, that's, oh my god, villi, and that's also known as epithelial cells. After that, it's like a bigger particle, so it would be converted into simple fat. And in lipid, we have studied that a simple fat is known as triglyceride, which we discuss in the biomolecule chapter. Simple fat, which is triglyceride. Okay, then and after this simple fat would be converted, this means we can say the food has been entered into lacteal. Lacteal is like storing source in a small intestine. The lymph and a lot of things would be stored in a small intestine that would be done in lacteal structure, which we have detailed done. Here you will see also lacteal, that then it would go into the blood and a lot of things. So if you have not watched the structure of lacteal, I could show you again, but this might be a little rough right now. Let me move my slide. Not lacteal, but this was the structure of villi. In that we just saw this the villi, where these all are present. That's known as venue. This was arterial. The inner this part is the lacteal. So every absorption would be done in the lacteal, and this itself is covered with a capillary network, which is written here, capillary network. Outside that we have few epithelial cells, and that epithelial cells have squamous epithelium, which have microvilli structure. So this was the structure of villi. In villi you will see microvilli. So the completely it's done about, this was the absorption in blood and the lymph capillary. So I'm sure everything will be clear. We'll do, in the next video we'll go with large intestine. Till that, I'm very much sure that it would be clear to you.